Hello students, we are taking up a very nice poem by John Keats, Ode to Autumn. Ode to Autumn is regarded as the most important and one of the most beautiful odes written by John Keats. The other important odes are Ode to Nightingale, Ode to a Grecian Urn, Ode on Indolence, and so on. This ode is very important as it was published in 1825 and it is very rich in imagery and the beauty of nature is richly manifested in Ode to Autumn. Ode is a very long poem often addressed to some abstract thing, noun or place. Any abstract idea. So it's a very long poem and it is addressed to autumn season, and most importantly autumn season is personified here as a human being, sometimes as a farmer, sometimes as a gleaner. So autumn season is personified as a human being. Secondly, this ode is very important because Keats' description of sensuousness, he is known as the poet of sensuousness, is very beautifully manifested in this poem. Sensuousness is the quality of description which appeals to our senses. So a poet describes anything in such minute manner that it appeals to our five senses. It seems to us as if we are touching the object, we are feeling it, we are smelling it, we are tasting it. So this kind of sensuousness and this kind of nature description is very remarkable in this poem. So here is the poem. Season of mist and mellow fruitfulness. So autumn season is beautifully described as the season of mists. Mist means dewdrops, ओस की बूंदें. So we can find dewdrops over the leaves, especially in the early morning time or evening time. So in this season we can find mists or dewdrops in nature. So this is the season of mists and mellow fruitfulness, and this season is known as the season of mist and mellow fruitfulness. Mellow means ripened or increasing. Fruitfulness means all the fruits get ripened up and get full maturity. They attain full maturity during this autumn season. So the poet is mentioning all the blessings, all the pleasures and all the advantages that we can notice during autumn season. Generally autumn season is regarded as the season of shedding down of yellow leaves from the plants, and those yellow leaves lie scattered here and there over the ground. But autumn season has its own advantages that the poet John Keats is mentioning. So second line, close bosom friend of the maturing sun. So autumn is personified as a human being and he is the close friend of sun. He is the close bosom friend. Bosom friend means intimate friend or best friend of the sun. And sun is getting matured. Maturing means increasing phases of sun. So sun's phases are also increasing. That is, the heat and energy and the light of sun is also increased during autumn season. So autumn is personified as the close friend of sun. Fine.